I'm officially done clearing trees, and now I'm down to grading for the foundation. And if you don't notice, there is a lot of rocks everywhere. And unfortunately, it's all mixed with grass and weeds and roots and branches and everything. So I need to get all the organic material out of the foundation. So I've got my soil screener set up over there, basically, and it's against that big tree because I found out that it will tip over as soon as you start to load it up. So that tree is keeping it from tipping over. So the rocks are rolling away from it. The dirt is underneath it. And every so often I can go in there and take a scoop of dirt and push up against the tree and dump the dirt over there. That's good dirt, clean dirt. That over there is just weeds and clumps of dirt and little rocks. It's just, I don't feel like messing with it. So, like if I get a scoop from right here, I'll take it to the junk pile. If I were to get a scoop from right there and it's mostly rocks and dirt, it goes to the soil sifter. So, I'm doing okay. Takes about 5 minutes to do a bucket, unfortunately, because it's sort of a sloped lot and I don't want to run the tractor in second or third gear or something. It's old and I don't want to fry the transmission, so it is what it is. I can't even start leveling or grading until I get this top layer off and get all these big rocks out of the way. So that's where we're at. Took down some of those big trees so I can see a little bit more of the view. Sat right there on that big rock and just took it all in. It's kind of a cloudy fall day, but it's not bad to just sit here and listen to the woods, feel the wind on your face, eat some lunch. God is good. So this stage is just trying to remove all the organic material, all the roots and grass and all that junk. Got a pretty good pile over there going. And I'm making decent progress. It's kind of slow. The house is so big. I mean, the house goes almost to that pile. So I have to scrape off from those trees right there all the way over to there. And so I'm making decent progress. Got about a foot, maybe 2 off of this area right here today. But that's still a mess. I'm kind of just pushing toward the hill to smooth it out. And then I'm just going to come back and hit this long ways and scoop it up. Another couple of days and I should be done with this part of it and I can start working on the retaining wall. So I've got probably, 100 tons of dirt, rocks, and roots excavated, and that's sort of cut and leveled. It's pretty much just rock right here. I'm probably going to break that up a little bit, but I've moved lots of dirt. That backhoe is just really doing work. It's incredible. That thing will move a lot of dirt. There we go. That pile was half that size 2 hours ago. Ooh, look at the view. Those trees starting to thin out. I'm standing right where my living room window will be eventually. Oh boy, I moved a lot of dirt in 2 hours. Well, rocks too. My goodness.